Hi, and welcome to Our Kids Code, creative computing for families.
So we've created a program in MakeCode, and now we want to get it onto the Microbit to run it. There's a couple of steps. We need to download it onto the computer, and then we need to move it onto the actual Microbit itself. So the first step is to download the file onto the computer. Just click over here, and you'll see your browser begin to do the download. Here it is over here. And that's downloaded into the Downloads folder on my computer. The files are very small, so they download nice and quickly. So we just need to remember the file name. It's based on the project name, but every time you make a change to the program and download it onto your computer again, you'll get numbers added to the file name, so you might find lots of copies. So now I want to copy it over to the Microbit. To do that, I'm going to need to connect the Microbit to the computer using a USB cable. And when I do that, I can see a light go on the back of the Microbit, and the Microbit is recognized by my computer. There's some noises as the computer first recognizes it, and you might see some messages pop up down here like that, telling you that the Microbit has been connected. So to run our program on the Microbit, what we need to do is find the downloaded file and drag it over onto the Microbit, and we can do all that using Windows Explorer. So I open up the File Explorer, and I find my Downloads folder, and here's my file. So we want to copy it over onto the Microbit. So to do that, I'm going to show all my drives in the Windows Explorer, View, Navigation pane. And if that was already visible, of course, you don't need to do this. And there's the Microbit. So I just click on the file that I downloaded, drag, and drop onto the Microbit. And I can see the little LED light flashing on the Microbit as the file gets copied over. And we can see the progress there of the file as it's loaded onto our Microbit. The lights flash. The Microbit has only one program on it at a time, so whatever program we drag across replaces what was there before. The name isn't important. And now we're ready to go. So we can remove the Microbit from our computer. I can just disconnect it by pulling out the USB cable, or I can be a little more careful and I can right-click on it and select Eject. And that disconnects it. And now I can unplug the Microbit from the computer and connect it to a battery pack, but you can see already that the program is running on the Microbit as soon as I disconnected it. If you want to change the program on the Microbit, you just do this process again. Make your new program, download it, copy it to the Microbit using a cable.